Actually, I'm so tired and my entire energy is getting drained down, and actually I got a cold and because it's so humid from day for yesterday. That's what the climate change yesterday. The nature is reacting how when these fellows are playing with the Shiv Shakti that you do not know. That's what I was getting from when these fellows started the play. At that time onwards, I could understand what are the changes happening in me. Also, not only this, there are many lobbies playing. Not only Professor Pushpak said. I understood that. I got clarity yesterday. Yesterday, not that. Previously, also that then from Kerala, that lobby is playing it. That Lakshmanan, that also playing. And this what? Kike Garindra and now that lobby is also playing. And this Narayana Das. Here a question. Here. And then yesterday, Madhanji was telling me that. No, day first. It will never happen under the transition. This is sort of the Newton's third law reaction. That then from that is actually he's a mad or what? Crack fellows. This kind of silly fellows who is not even having any common sense or anything, any eligibility or anything, just to make a blabber comment center or what? I was calling these fellows from August onwards to talk. There's none of the thing because they want to hide their place because Narayana Das is behind. I can understand from the beginning onwards. He is nicely managing utilize. That's the reason he is blocking, hijacking everybody this much. He is hijacking and he is the one behind many frauds. That's what he is this much afraid and hijacking. Also, the student, the Kerala, that how these fellows are. He's not letting to talk to anybody. Even the Ramesh that Sudharan I told this all thing KCV everything hijacking with Narayana Das. So don't do any foolishness. Don't put your head and nothing will happen. Entire worldwide UK, entire each and every corner and informed all the emergency service, UK police, everybody. Yesterday morning itself I okay, entire courts, entire judges, everybody worldwide. You should understand that after 2011, first time the NATO meeting has been started. Don't worry, we can collectively make a new Afghanistan in India soon. Do start the place. And also one more thing I understood that Madhanji was telling that even the Russia case has come also, nothing will happen. At that time I understood this is not what Modi, I'm sure anybody. This is the Congress, the double lobby is playing. That's the thing. This poisoning here also happened like that only. Also, see that menstrual let's say everything. The other lobby because from IITB also that I know that in Mumbai lobby then not only the Professor Pushpak, more than that Professor Pushpak is there, but this Deepak Vijayam they have so many political connections and they only done all the frauds, all the things they only played on the back. And this Abhishek's teams also everybody that Meenarli is here, so this double has been instructed by them. Everybody, all the devils are there. But anyway, you should understand that. You should blindly believe Shiva Shakti, whatever the thing. Also, your horoscope. Yesterday I have crossed. It's a blessing. That's not a God where is taking. I was this kind of an astrologer. I was looking from months, years. Actually, I told it to this. What is his name? So these all fellows. Actually, in Kerala there is a nice astrologer. I wanted to consult because because I know how these devils are playing. But this none of this kachara frauds, not having any courage or guts or any understanding, ego with their limited knowledge and thing. They are the kachara 43rd class. This kind of I am talking to this kind of fellows is my wastage of my time. That's why I wasted my time. Actually, then now I understood that. See, that's what these fellows are this much hijacking all the astrologer also. So that's what from Sanskrit University that Shiva Murli is to tell about our hospital things. Now he told that till June my time everything will happen, and then after that he told at the time he was telling that after July if you want can marry or anything like that. He was telling that at that time. See, your good time started, but you have Mangal dosha. I have Shukra. This is the problem. With this, without doing the things, nothing will work out. That's the thing. And so you have from July 14th onwards Raja Yoga actually. So, but the thing, you cannot marry. That's what Madhanji also was telling that you will not marry after 55 years only you can marry. That's from April 2000 and April only your marriage time. But my marriage time is there till I can that is there. But I have cross checked. I checked Dhruviya Matana's horoscopes. Whatever the thing I have told about her, A to Z correct. More than that, she's a dangerous devil. If you are getting me, you finish. Brain not born prostitute, cunning devil, chalu. She's not having any intelligence, nothing but the cunning devil, screwing a place and like that kind of a dirty third class culture. Even when when she failed, how she failed, everything. I will share that. That's what everybody should know. So whatever the case, see, I told you are my responsibility. You have a truth. That's the reason. See, last week also how every emotions, everything has been passed to me, and how yesterday also I know that you were crying. That morning I could understand. So whatever the thing, everything is coming. So that is the Shivamshi. You are the Shivamshi. Because see, that's the thing. Universe is trying to tell me these all are silly fellows. They are nothing to play in between. See, these fellows, wherever they are taking, and their world is under the fingertip. We can get it. These fellows are not knowing my range or ability or capability. So don't need to worry. These fellows hijacked my laptop. My other laptop was spoiled, and so then the other laptop, when yesterday I was using some people's laptop, that also they have corrupted, and the enter the mail servers. The moment I am creating, sending, the moment they are hijacking everything. Don't worry, there are other platforms. I have sent it to each and every corner, wherever. Even the marriage registration authorities, even everywhere, the one. So don't worry, because next it's not. This is for the nation, world. I am doing that. How you understood that how the cunning devil criminals are playing. Actually, this Chidambaram, these all anti-nationals. Everybody. That's what these all. When I disclose about the Congress frauds, that's the reason they got excited and putting you up. You don't need to get afraid even a single bit. Actually, it is a good thing that you are out of the country. So don't worry. Don't get you don't put this. Actually, that dirty culture and never ever come. She's that much disastrous poison to you. I will share her horoscope. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, anyway, actually I am getting so much weak in my health because I am not eating, and also this drained. Also I could understand the how when these fellows are pulling you away from me, what is happening to me. I can understand the. Actually, that's what I was telling from in the past 2-3 weeks. There is not that sunburn at the time, how I am getting weak, and see, very weak, and this body, what these fellows have. Did anybody see my body? And who these fellows? Actually, you don't become dumb to compare my body. See, then, anyway, leave. These are silly fellows. He Shimano no Chandra, the Chalmanguti Torkachara, doubles, Chidambar, or these kind of Ashogala, these kind of doubles or frauds, not to decide your life, our life. Shivashakti. Okay? Don't worry. Everything is on the right track. So none of these fellows are for your good. Also, I know that yesterday I told the on age and you felt bad. I know that because that much a situation. Actually, how much these fellows are celebrating and making fun. See, none of these kachara that Kerala's canteen cook, these are selling fellows, these are like kachara parties, they check kuriki. Everywhere this in India the securities has to be given proper training and education. Everywhere securities are with their limited understanding. They will take the hijacking kachara party straight dogs. Everywhere. Previously when I went to NCRT, their own kachara security lady, she will only this one also acting and like this thing and all these all everywhere securities are like kachara frauds. Securities also minimum education criteria has to keep at Charapati with their limited understanding, ego, and that's the way your securities also acting. Yesterday morning I came and asked you, you are celebrating Charapati with by being with a senior or a respected person, and they would think that they themselves the rollers that Charapati. So don't do the foolishness and don't undertake that negative energy. Okay. And time is there, everything will work. My time, this is what they have planned. When my bad time will come, and at that time my bad time will for till September 9 only. That's after that my time is going to double stuff. That's the thing. Everything will come, or everything will come. Yeah, so don't worry. So this is okay. Learning this actually. So don't get excited. Everything is entire world authorities are there. So don't do foolishness and end up. Okay, we are not that good. You don't get. I know that you have a disappointment, a fear, these whole thing. Don't do anything. Okay, don't get into anything. This Narayana, you has to be treated very easily. You're that much. I know that. See, whatever the interpretation or analysis of me, that is not wrong, because from my experience and my ability, you are nothing. You are a chilly. Well, ninja play. Don't go into workout. Okay. If you people are doing, then I will make an entire your each and every children's. Actually, I know here the troubling everything. This previously itself, I know that this Congress lobby, this and another, or these all fellows have roles. That Malayali lobby have role, because na that through that one MB's brother only, that what is his name? Lindish Pulikul, that MTech IIT Delhi, MTech student, he only put the chemicals to me in IIT Delhi. At the time also that Professor that Ravu, everybody is this Abhishek, everybody is involved, that's the thing. That's what Professor Pushpak, he was trying to, he was only making me to get married to that Professor Vishal. That time onwards only these all fellows have attacked him and he has been dismissed from the teaching service even. That much I could understand these doubles are playing acting and so many things. So don't worry, these attacks, these kacharas will play on the back. Don't worry. Don't get yielded to anything. Anyway, I know that mainly you went to UK to cancel the British citizenship only. That's a good thing. Anyway, I know. But then, don't worry about. Yesterday I got that much. I have seen immediately this fellow also kept posting that onions. That's these are all the emotions. Emotions has to be explained because you are my not like a silly human being. You are my souls. We are connected that much. That's the thing that will affect me if something is happening to you. Okay, that's what happening to my body. See how I became the changes in my body. That is the thing. This is not my origin. So you need to understand that my entire hair one. Actually, I want to cut down everything and I don't know. I need a rejuvenation immediately. This is the humanity. Okay, human. Don't worry. Baby, nobody in this world is born to separate Shiv Shakti. Okay? Be courageous, people. These cultural parties will play around. We are fighting for the truth. Sonia ji, don't worry. Past is past. I know that how much trap, how much these doubles. I can understand how much these fellows are playing to me, how much they would. I know that everybody, the situations, everything. No, there is a truthful way. We can take out everything. Don't worry, everybody. Okay? Priyanka ji also. Actually, I know these other doubles are playing. Don't worry, everything has a solution. Truthful way. These Congress doubles now. And baby, don't worry. Don't get illiterate. That girl is, I'll share her code. See, astrology is a science. That should be the in scientific way we approach. These kind of cultural straight security villas, these all straight villas. They don't have any cultural double. That's what I could understand. That what is his name? Somalan. How many times I told him that whether he can contact that astrology. The way this conning double culture. It's a poison. These all fellows. Where are they can grab and they will create stories and this all the stories are about you people. The Congress leaders only spreading for keeping you people threatened and locked up stage to utilize. That's the only thing. Okay, you don't need to worry. Anyway, I'm there. I'm really so weak. You need so much of humor and I'm getting sweaty. That's what I thought I will get a heart attack that at that time. I would understand that. So don't worry. Don't neglect anything. Yeah? Be happy and cancel citizenship. All the devils. Don't plan too much. These Malayali devils, that's what the Kerala culture parties. In Kerala also, these Malayali devils only did all the thing, blocking, hijacking, these all things, spoiling, threatening my family, everything. So these are the don't believe these Kerala devils. And Priyanka ji, if these fellows are playing this much, don't go to Wayanad. That's the thing. That's the way you should act. Right? Don't worry, I'm with you people. But you people don't get yielded to their things and don't see past fraud is there. Also these fellows, how much this Roberto Adra, these fellows are trapping and keeping him into. And then try to spoil you people. So don't yield to anything also. This Mughal Vasaniki, these all fellows are mobile lobbies control only. Abhishek, you are a poisonous venom. There minerally is written that you are only doing deal like that and that. These are that your mother that culture astray. Party. That is Tanda. I have seen how that cunning devil. And your mother only killed your father. That's the thing to make out of her desperateness. And then soul got moksha. So Rahulji, you have whatever the thing stories these fellows say, everybody says yesterday also many people are like that you are a gadda and don't why do you need him, leave him like that. Everybody trying to convince me. No, whatever you are, whatever, I am okay with that. The universe is saying you are my Ardhanarishwar Shiva Shakti, Shivamsh. Okay? So don't worry, eh? Don't yield to any negative energy. Even though I'm scolding also, you should understand that. How many times I told that you don't go down, but I know this British literature. But you didn't mention even. But yeah, previously there was a message that you told me we may not see it for days, months. And that some entire UK authorities are each and every MPs, each and every all the police authorities, garbage share everywhere, and UK is my place because from years I am dealing with the UK. All the process, everybody have frustrated, everybody is knowing the realities, right? How do you think each and every entire world around these Kachara fellows are not even knowing the Kachara. Actually, I don't like to associate with Malayalis. Malayali Kachara wherever McDonald's and this, especially this now open this Kachara. What is Pinarai and that these doubles? No, the madness sort of power for the Kachara, but not even frauds. And yesterday, many people are saying, Pinarai, these doubles are not dying like that in reality. So don't deal with this. Malayalis are like creating problems everywhere. Kachara cunning doubles bastards. So don't worry, baby. Don't deal with anything. And yesterday I got happy after. Happy not. I was so tired. Okay. I saw a message. And the day before yesterday night, one more thing. How the level? That's what I'm getting out of it. Professor Pushpa, he's how the level my each and every, this all my account, entire mobile is under there. All the accounts they are simultaneously. Each and every activity who are following message everything. In between, I actually at that day I have that when Farid have seen me that day you people waited, and then that I have taken on person's number, and that he followed me in the Instagram, and I also followed him back. Yesterday, day first night, when I realized that I felt that you went, and I was not able to sleep, and I was calling. I called Naranas Madhavan, everybody I called at night, throughout night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and I was not able to sleep, or I felt like I will get a heart attack like that. Then at the time, this person, so these fellows are monitoring me on the back, right? My activities in the each and everything in the mobile, everything. So I called to this fellow and I was messaging. So immediately that person was calling me in night at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. That's a way how these fellows are, these dirty devils are trying to put in the social trap at this. But Professor Pushpa will have this much dominance in the professional these things, Facebook link and this. So nothing got down into. I will finish. Wait. My bad time is only for 1 more month. Okay. Don't think that I can turn around the world that day. But all the control is with me. I have prepared everything, and I have. See, I told each and everything in the world, each and every corner, everybody is knowing that from the beginning. Systematically, I will have been informing everything. Whatever the play, if you are doing, if you are showing too much over smartness, it will become another Afghanistan. That's it. Okay. So don't do commerce. Don't think that UK is under your control. It's not. It's a wrong imputation. You understood the result, right? Election, right? You also don't think that. I know that how that everything, even the US court. No, don't worry. Everywhere there are certain procedures to approach. Mind, I am a natural born intelligent person. That's what I wanted to design, intelligent system. I will design my intelligent system is there, Shiv Shakti. That I will design. That's what I designed. What execution? That is the blocking. We fellas are trying to block my execution. That I am not my design execution. Universal design. Universal intelligence system. Decision support system. That's what I am supporting. Decision supports. So baby, don't worry. Don't actually, I know that double wherever will chance like Kachara party, you are each and every details I understood from beginning onwards how you also to justify that credibility of that astrologer. He was telling that when these fellows kept menstrual irregularities in September, that he was asking me these all things happened, right? Everything, each and everything. So don't worry. Okay, bye.